What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. This vanity top I got right here was from Lowe's, okay? I got this top from Lowe's because I went to the, what is this place? One of those secondhand places, and they didn't have it. So I just went on and got this. I think it was $100 anyway or something like that. So this is a one piece, of course, you can see that. And I got this because I got this cabinet right here on clearance. The cabinet was $30. The original price was $250 or $350 or something like that. Now the only issue was it had chipped wood, but the chipped wood is on the inside, so you can't see it because the vanity now is covering everything. So the chipped wood is basically on the inside and you can't see it. So I took it and ran with it. But anyways, this is the vanity top. So I have 22 inches and then we are at 7/8. Now this comes in one piece when you buy it. This is not two different pieces. This is one full piece. And it's not that heavy. So if you think you're going to get this and you think it's going to be heavy, it's not. I'm just showing you what it looked like. All right, you guys, and my cabinet size is a 35 and a half inch cabinet. Yeah, so that's it. I'm just showing y'all what the vanity top looked like, and yeah. Link in the description. Like, comment, and subscribe.